So we're walking across the challenge floor, and I saw this. It looks like an oil rig in another CTF. I need to hear about it.
Yeah, so we've got an oil rig set up here. It's hooked up to our CTFD instance in the back end. As people solve challenges, they can attack the rig, turn the lights off, set smoke off, all kinds of fun stuff.
I love, oh my goodness, it's smoking right now.
Yep, right there, see?
I love challenges like this because so often you're in your basement and you get like SQL injection or something like that. You push the button down. I'm just overwhelmed by it, it's so cool. But you push the button and like, cool, you got SQL injection, you dump tables, but it's not like a physical experience. This is so cool.
What the thing is, there's more to the physical experience than just the rig. We've been sitting on a secret the whole weekend, and as soon as the teams unlock it in the storyline, we got more physical challenges for them to work on.
Wait, so there's a storyline?
There's a whole storyline,
Let's go back to the beginning.
Yeah.
What is this challenge?
So Mayhem Industries has been up to something in their oil rig somewhere in the Black Sea. They've found something. We got a tip off from an insider that they're onto something big and the world can't take whatever they've got. So we're trying to stop them.
And it starts there.
It starts there.
It
starts with some decrypted communications dropped randomly on a hacker forum, and it escalates and it escalates from there.
So you bring you decrypt those, you find a website, you then hack that website.
Exactly.
You get access to a database or something like that. And that leads you from all of those hands-on web challenges.
It leads you to the rig, and it leads from the rig to a helicopter chase, and it leads from there to a mystery we've yet to unveil.
This is so cool. I love the smoke everywhere. Thanks for sharing about this challenge. If people want to get involved on this one, can they get involved online, or is it only at
con?
Con?
They can definitely get involved online. There's some challenges that are physical only, we've got some lockpicking sections and stuff, but if people want to go through it online, we're happy to help them continue on. We've got a Discord. We're very active in the DEF CON Discord.
Can people form teams where they can have some on-site and off-site?
Yep.
So
teams of, I think we initially set up to 4, but people have got larger teams with that, and it's fine. We're just trying to make sure everyone's having fun.
So if you want to join a team, you're remote, and you're like, I would like to jump in now. There's a Discord channel. What's the website? It looks like Mayhem
Industries.net, and they've got links from there to both our Discord, which is on the official DEF CON Discord. Make sure you get the contest roll. People have been having trouble with that.
Okay.
And if you want to pan up to the QR codes up there, just give people a chance to scan those. Those will get you where you need to go.
Excellent. I know it's trusting QR codes at DEF CON right when you know the scav hunt is right over there.
Yep.
But I would say these ones are ones you can definitely trust. Thank you so much for sharing. Guys, thank you for watching. And as always, hack on.
We would love to see you here.